What's up guys, this is Kurt and that was Alex and Against the Current singing Let Me Love You. I hope you liked it. If you did, it's on iTunes, Spotify, all that good stuff. So I'll put the link to that down below along with their social media links. What's up guys, this is Kurt and I was Against the Current and Alex Goot performing Sorry. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, it's on iTunes. I'll put the link to that down below along with ATC's and Alex's social media links, YouTube, Twitters, all that good stuff. So go show them the love guys, and as always there's more stuff coming soon. So I will see you then. Peace!
So we're out here in LA right now working on our first record on the label, so very exciting. We're super stoked about it.
Yeah.
Got a few other things too.
But yeah, so we just wanted to say thank you real quick because you guys have been so amazing and so supportive over the past few years, I guess. We've been able to tour the world, put out a ton of music, 2 EPs and a couple singles, and meet so many of you. So we just wanted to thank you guys and celebrate a little bit.
And we're excited to announce that we'll be leaving on a headlining world tour, the Gravity World Tour.
Woo!
Yes.
Oh.
Snap.
We'll be coming to
Shiitake mushrooms.
Okay.
Shiitake mushrooms.
We'll be coming to Southeast Asia, Europe, UK, US, and Canada. And hopefully some more.
Yeah, definitely.
I think we're working on Mars.
Yeah.
But we can't wait to see you guys and hang out with you.